Have you ever considered that something you do every single day, without a second thought, might actually be causing more harm than good to a very private and important part of your body? It's a routine so ingrained, so automatic, that it rarely crosses our minds that we might be getting it wrong. We step into the shower, perhaps thinking we're doing ourselves a favor, ensuring cleanliness, when in reality, a simple, seemingly innocent mistake could be leading to discomfort, irritation, and even more serious issues down the line. Many men, especially as we get a little older, experience these uncomfortable realities without ever connecting them to their daily shower habits. They might notice dryness, a bit of itchiness, or even persistent irritation, but they often chalk it up to aging or just a part of life. What if I told you there's a simple secret to avoiding these very common, yet entirely preventable, problems in this video? We're going to dive deep into exactly what that mistake is, and then we'll uncover several simple, practical adjustments you can make right away to dramatically improve your comfort, health, and confidence in one of the most sensitive areas of your body. We'll look at easy habits that will help you prevent irritation, maintain healthy skin, and ensure overall well-being. And trust me, you'll want to watch to the very end, because there's something waiting for you that will truly surprise you. Let's get right into it, starting with that significant shower mistake that far too many of us are making, often without even realizing it. The biggest culprit, the one that can lead to so many of those uncomfortable issues we just touched upon, is actually quite straightforward. It's how we're using soap, or more specifically, the types of soap we're using, and the way we're applying it to our most sensitive areas. Think about your daily shower. Most of us grab a bar of our favorite soap or pump out some body wash, lather it up vigorously, and scrub away, assuming that the more suds and the stronger the scent, the cleaner will be. But here's the often unspoken truth: the skin down there, particularly around the head of the penis and beneath the foreskin if you have one, is incredibly delicate. It's far more sensitive than the skin on your arm or leg, and it has a very particular pH balance that is easily disrupted when you use harsh, alkaline soaps, the kind that create a lot of lather and often contain strong fragrances, dyes, or harsh detergents like sulfates. You're essentially stripping away the natural protective oils that your skin produces. Imagine washing your face with a strong dish soap. You'd feel dry, tight, and irritated, wouldn't you? The same thing is happening, perhaps even more severely, in this private area. These harsh soaps can cause dryness, redness, itching, and even small cracks in the skin that you might not even see, making you susceptible to bacterial or fungal infections. They can disrupt the natural, healthy balance of microbes on your skin, leading to an overgrowth of yeast or bacteria that causes persistent irritation, an unpleasant odor, or even conditions like balanitis, which is an inflammation of the glands. Many men, in an effort to feel extra clean, actually overwash or use antiseptic washes, believing this will prevent problems. But in most cases, this aggressive cleaning simply exacerbates the issue by further irritating the delicate skin and disrupting its natural defenses. It's a vicious cycle where discomfort leads to more intense cleaning, which then leads to more discomfort. The simple, actionable step to correct this is to completely rethink your choice of cleanser. Instead of your usual body soap or bar soap, opt for a mild, unscented, pH-balanced cleanser specifically designed for sensitive skin. Or even better, just plain warm water for daily cleaning of this very sensitive area. If you feel you need a cleanser, look for one that is labeled gentle, fragrance-free, or hypoallergenic. When you do clean, use only your hand, never a washcloth or loofah, as these can be too abrasive and also harbor bacteria. Use gentle, circular motions, allowing the warm water to do most of the work. If you have an uncircumcised penis, Gently retract the foreskin and clean underneath with warm water. Then return the foreskin to its normal position. This is a crucial step that often gets overlooked, leading to a buildup of smegma, a natural substance that can become a breeding ground for bacteria if not regularly and gently cleaned. The key word here is gentle. You're not scrubbing away grime. You're simply rinsing away daily accumulation and maintaining the skin's natural, healthy state. The difference this single change can make is truly remarkable. Many men who have suffered from persistent itching, dryness, or irritation find that simply switching their soap and their cleaning technique brings almost immediate relief. It's about respecting the delicate nature of the skin and working with your body's natural defenses, not against them. Now that we've talked about the importance of using gentle cleansers and proper washing technique, let's turn our attention to something equally vital, but often completely forgotten, which can significantly impact your comfort and health right after the shower. Following on from your gentle cleaning routine. The next crucial step, which is often neglected or done incorrectly, is how you dry yourself after a shower. Many of us towel off briskly, focusing on getting dry quickly so we can get dressed and start our day. But for the delicate skin we've been discussing, proper drying is absolutely paramount, leaving any moisture trapped, especially in the folds of skin or beneath the foreskin, creates a warm, damp environment that is an ideal breeding ground for bacteria, fungi, and yeast. This can lead to persistent itching, unpleasant odors, and conditions like jock itch or candidiasis, which are not only uncomfortable but can be quite stubborn to get rid of. The mistake here is not drying thoroughly enough, or conversely, being too aggressive with the towel, which can irritate the skin you've just gently cleaned. The actionable step is simple: always pat. Don't rub this delicate area completely dry. Use a soft, clean towel dedicated to this purpose, or at least a fresh, dry part of your general bath towel. Take your time. Gently pat until there is absolutely no dampness left. If you are uncircumcised, ensure you gently retract the foreskin and thoroughly dry beneath it before returning it to its natural position. For some men, especially those who tend to sweat more or live in humid climates, it can even be beneficial to air dry for a few minutes before putting on underwear. Just stand naked for a short while, allowing any residual moisture to evaporate naturally. This extra minute or two can make a world of difference in preventing moisture-related skin issues. Now, let's talk about another habit that directly affects the comfort and health of this area, and it's something you wear every single day: your underwear. The type of underwear you choose can have a significant impact on ventilation, moisture control, and overall skin health. Many men prefer tight, restrictive styles, or opt for fabrics that don't breathe well, like certain synthetic materials. While they might feel supportive or look a certain way, these choices can trap heat and moisture against the skin, creating that perfect environment for bacterial and fungal overgrowth. Similar to what we discussed with improper drying, the solution is to choose breathable fabrics, primarily cotton, and opt for styles that allow for some air circulation. Boxer briefs or loose-fitting boxers are often better choices than very tight briefs, especially for daily wear. Cotton is a natural fiber that absorbs moisture and allows air to circulate, keeping the area cooler and drier. Avoid underwear made entirely of synthetic materials for everyday use, particularly those that aren't designed for moisture wicking and breathability. If you're exercising or engaging in strenuous activity, modern athletic underwear made with moisture-wicking synthetics can be beneficial. But for regular daily wear, cotton is usually your best friend. Make sure your underwear is clean and changed daily. This seems obvious, but it's a fundamental step in hygiene that sometimes gets overlooked. A fresh pair of breathable, clean underwear every day contributes immensely to keeping the area dry and free from irritants. Remember, the goal is to reduce moisture, allow the skin to breathe, and prevent unnecessary friction. These small daily decisions about drying and clothing can truly transform your experience of comfort and health. Next, we'll dive into how a surprising external factor might be contributing to irritation and what you can do about it. So, we've covered the importance of gentle washing, thorough drying, and choosing the right underwear. Now, let's expand our scope a little. Because even after perfecting those steps, some men still find themselves dealing with unexplained irritation. This often points to a less obvious, but equally significant, external factor: the laundry products we use. Think about it. Your underwear, pajamas, and any other clothing that comes into direct contact with this sensitive area are washed regularly. Many conventional laundry detergents, fabric softeners, and dryer sheets are loaded with harsh chemicals, strong fragrances, and dyes. While these might make your clothes smell fresh and feel soft, they can leave behind residues that act as powerful irritants for delicate skin. This is especially true for skin that's already sensitive or prone to dryness. The irritation might manifest as redness, itching, a rash, or a general feeling of discomfort that seems to persist despite your best efforts at hygiene. The solution here is to switch to laundry products that are designed for sensitive skin, often labeled as free and clear or hypoallergenic. These products typically contain no perfumes, dyes, or harsh additives when choosing a laundry detergent. Look for ones that specify they are fragrance-free and dye-free. The same goes for fabric softeners and dryer sheets. It's often best to avoid them entirely for items that directly touch your skin, as they are notorious for leaving behind chemical residues. If you feel your clothes need softening, consider using natural alternatives like white vinegar in the rinse cycle. It's an excellent fabric softener and helps remove detergent residue without leaving its own scent once dry. Another simple yet powerful change is to ensure you're doing an extra rinse cycle when washing your underwear and any other garments that touch your private areas. This helps to flush away any remaining detergent or softener residue, ensuring that your clothes are as free of irritants as possible before they come into contact with your skin. You might be surprised at how much difference this seemingly minor adjustment can make. Many people don't realize that what their clothes are washed in can be as much of an irritant as the wrong soap on their skin. This is a subtle, often overlooked detail, but it speaks to the principle of minimizing exposure to potential irritants. It's about creating an overall environment that supports your body's natural balance and health, not just in the shower, but throughout your day. By making conscious choices about what touches your skin, you are proactively preventing issues rather than just reacting to them. The skin, particularly sensitive skin, reacts to everything it comes into contact with. So being mindful of your laundry products is an extension of good personal care. Now, with all these practical daily adjustments in mind, let's bring everything together and talk about the bigger picture of maintaining your health and comfort as you age gracefully. We've journeyed through some incredibly important, yet often overlooked, aspects of daily hygiene and self-care that can make a profound difference in your comfort and overall well-being. From recognizing that crucial shower mistake involving harsh soaps and cleaning techniques, to understanding the vital role of thorough but gentle drying, and even considering the impact of your underwear choice and laundry products, we've covered practical steps you can implement today. It's truly amazing how a few small, thoughtful adjustments to your daily routine can alleviate persistent discomfort, prevent irritation, and foster a sense of greater confidence and health. Remember, the delicate skin in your private areas thrives on gentleness. That means opting for mild, pH-balanced cleansers or even just warm water, avoiding abrasive scrubbing, and always patting dry thoroughly. It means embracing breathable, natural fabrics like cotton for your underwear and ensuring you change them daily. And perhaps most surprisingly, it means being mindful of the detergents and softeners you use in your laundry, opting for free and clear options to prevent chemical irritation. These aren't just tips, They are foundational habits for maintaining optimal skin health and comfort as you continue through life. This isn't about being overly obsessive. It's about informed self-care and respect for your body. Many men silently endure issues that are completely preventable with these simple shifts in habit. You don't have to live with discomfort or persistent irritation. Your body is incredibly resilient, but it also benefits immensely from thoughtful attention and care. Small changes truly can make a big difference, especially when they're applied consistently to areas that are so fundamental to your daily comfort and quality of life. Embracing these habits isn't just about avoiding problems. It's about actively promoting your own well-being and enjoying a greater sense of ease and confidence every single day. Taking care of yourself in every aspect, including these private and often unspoken ones, contributes to a happier, healthier, and more vibrant you. If you found this information helpful, or if you have your own tips or experiences to share, please leave a comment below. Your insights could help others in our community. We love hearing from you and learning together. And if you want more practical, empowering advice like this to help you navigate life with confidence and vitality, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Joining our community ensures you won't miss out on future content designed to help you live your absolute best life at every age. Thank you for being here. And remember, your health and comfort are truly in your hands. Live your best life at every age.